Hey folks, welcome to campkins.com. I'm Dave, and this is going to be your video walkthrough of the 2026 Apex Nano 208 BHS. It's a fantastic little family trailer. I think you're going to love it. And let's start here at the front. It's got a beautiful full front window here and full fiberglass cap here. Okay, so really high standard of construction. And speaking of construction, this trailer is Asdel. Okay, so what that means is it's fiberglass laminated to an Asdel plastic material. And because there's no wood backing back there, you'll never have any issues with delaminations. This is the best construction methodology in the industry. Okay, so here's your pass through. You'll see you've got your solar controller there. All right. I mentioned that because already got 400 watts of solar panel on board. Okay, so Apex Nano off-grid living up to its name. All right, moving this way, got the solid steps here, makes it easy to get in and out, especially if you're carrying the groceries or something. All right, slide down here, there's 110 outlet, tandem axle, all right, tankless hot water heater. And then here is your outdoor camp kitchen. This is a cast iron flat top griddle. You just take that buckle off, you flip it over, and you're ready to cook right there. You can see in there you've got 110 and USB connections. Okay, for charging stuff up. Or if you want to put a crock pot or something out there, you can plug it in. And there is your outdoor fridge. Keep all your drinks cold while you're outside. And the nice thing is you've got a great big awning here. So lots of shade, lots of protection from the rain. And we'll go along here and we'll just see it doesn't come with a backup camera, but it is prepped for it. So if you want to add one, I highly recommend it. We can hook you up with that. So that's the outside of the Apex 208 BHS. Let's go inside and have a look. Okay, here we are inside the 2026 208 BHS by Apex. All right, so at the front, we pointed out that big window when we were outside. That's what it looks like on the inside. You can lie in bed, look out at the stars. Speaking of stargazing, check this out. This is the Stargazer feature. Okay, so that does open up. You can let a ton of air in there if you wanted to in the summer. And you can slide this bug screen across to keep the bugs out in the summer. Or if it's kind of heating up in here and you want to avoid that greenhouse effect, you can pull across your sunshade. But having a Stargazer, awesome. Fantastic feature. You can see that this trailer features a Murphy bed. So you can sit here and be comfy during the day. And then you just flip this down like this. And then you flip your mattress over and now it's a bed. So best functionality right there because it gives you a lot of flexibility. All right. Tons of storage options here. You can see they've got these nice deep cupboards up here as well as here. They've even been thoughtful this year and put a shelf in there, which I really like. You can still hang your shirts or your pants or whatever you got in there, but it gives you a shelf, gives you a couple more options for storing your stuff. All right, moving this way, you'll see this comes standard with your Alpine Bluetooth speaker. Okay. Now in the kitchen here, lots of counter space, right? And the great thing about this kitchen or the sink insert is that allows you to maximize your counter space when you're not using your sink. However, when it's time to do the dishes, there you are. Nice, deep stainless steel sink, lots of room in there. You can fit big pots and pans in there, no problem. Now, for cooking, you've got a 2-burner cooktop here with the glass top on it, which is great. And then this is your 3-in-1 appliance, okay? This is a microwave. It is an air fryer. It is a convection oven. So you don't have to bring all those appliances with you to cook whatever you want. They're all right there in one unit, okay? And then, again, keeping your stuff cold. There's your big 10.7 cubic foot fridge and freezer combo, okay? And then over here is your slide. You can see the slide gives you a ton more space and allows you to have a dinette big enough to actually sit 4 regulation sized humans on, which is great. You're not cramped in there. You can sit around and eat. You can play cards, whatever you like. Okay, so moving to the back here, more pantry space here. Okay, great spot for linens or, whatever you've got. All right. And then here for the kids, or adults too, I suppose. here are the double over double bunks, which is awesome. This is a super popular trailer. You're seeing why right here. It's a very small, lightweight trailer, great for families and great for storage because you can see that flips up too. So if you want to put bikes or something in there when you're towing, no problem at all. Now, into the bathroom we go. Okay, it's got everything you need in here. There's your nice big shower. You can see they've given us an upgraded shower head this year. You got your fan up top to let all of the moisture out after you have a quick shower. Then you've got your sink here, great for brushing your teeth, etc. And you can see there's lots of room around the toilet. You're not bashing your knees on anything, which is great. And there's your medicine cabinet here too. So lots of room for all your stuff. All right. So as we always say, it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle. And where is Myrtle, you might ask? It's just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So come on out and see us at Campkins. Let us help you make your RV dreams come true.